Mallorca is an island full of beautiful natural landscapes, along with picturesque stone towns full of history and tradition. As unsuspecting visitors, the architects of Beef Architecti learned to use traditional techniques and materials for the design of the fly house, such as stones from a local quarry. The house respects local conditions, offering various natural shading or ventilation systems. Folding wooden shutters are a natural heat prevention method. They reflect the facades of traditional houses in Mallorca. Narrow vertical lamellas create a gentle shadow play in the interior, complementing the local traditional atmosphere. Spaces between the lamellas allow air circulation even when the shutters are closed. Windows are set back into the structure to create shading from the concrete slabs. In addition to aesthetics, the massive facade helps to keep the house cool during the summer months and has great potential for accumulating heat in winter. Visiting the island repeatedly in the process of searching for the ideal plot of land, the owners were impressed by the traditional stone houses in the cities and countryside of Mallorca. Pedra on sec is a very simple and inexpensive local dry stone construction technique, and it has been used here since prehistoric times. In 2018, it was declared Intangible Cultural Heritage of Humanity by UNESCO. The stone facade, based on a typical design found all over the island as fences or retaining walls constructed using the traditional dry technique. The city can be seen through the gap between the sloping terrain and the tops of pine trees. The house is in harmony with local architecture by using traditional materials, techniques, and empirical principles. The stone facade continuously flows into the interior in combination with the lime plaster estuco de cal. Wood, local stone, and concrete are the dominant materials used. On the bottom floor, you are visually connected with the endless sea. Learning from local architecture, the house reuses its traditional elements in a contemporary typology and incorporates them along with a simple energy efficiency concept based on natural ventilation and the heat accumulating properties of its massive walls.